Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to be sharing this with you today. We are going to unpack a topic that is quietly but radically transforming the way we move. We're talking about the EV safety revolution. We're going to look right past the shiny exteriors of today's electric vehicles and demystify the hidden technology and the incredibly strict regulations that are constantly working behind the scenes to keep all of us safe. So let's just dive right in. With electric vehicles rapidly taking over global markets, the stakes for passenger and bystander safety have literally never been higher. To really understand how manufacturers are keeping us safe, we need to think about EV safety using a specific metaphor. Think of it as the floor and the ceiling. The strict mandated government regulations, those represent the solid, non-negotiable floor. No manufacturer can drop below it. But artificial intelligence and connected IoT networks, that represents the ceiling, the absolute peak of innovation, where our vehicles are actually learning to predict danger before it even happens.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. The EV safety revolution. 2. The mandated safety rulebook. 3. Smart battery management systems. 4. Predictive AI and maintenance. And 5. Advanced crash detection tech.
Okay, Section 1. The EV safety revolution. Let's establish our baseline context here. Why are electric vehicles taking over, and what kind of new challenges do they bring to the table? Well, the number 3 is pretty key for us. Electric vehicles produce zero exhaust and are up to 3 times more energy efficient than your traditional petrol-powered cars. Their market dominance is essentially inevitable at this point. But swapping out a standard combustion engine for a massive high-density lithium-ion battery pack and a high-voltage electrical system introduces completely new safety challenges that engineers have, quite frankly, never had to solve before. You know, what's really wild when you look at the historical timeline is that the concept of the electric vehicle is actually super old. The first ones were created way back in 1840. That predates mass-market petrol cars. But while the concept of electric propulsion is old, the digital safety technology surrounding modern EVs is brand new. Today's EVs aren't just cars, they are highly connected AI and IoT networks on wheels.
Moving on to Section 2, the mandated safety rulebook.
So before a manufacturer can even think about throwing AI into the mix, they absolutely must comply with that strict regulatory floor we talked about. And this brings us to ISO 26262. Yes, I know, it's very dense engineering jargon, but it is totally crucial. This is the international standard for the functional safety of electrical and electronic systems in road vehicles. It uses a hazard analysis and risk assessment, or HARA, to assign risk levels known as ASIL. These range from A being the lowest risk to D being the highest. For example, if a motorbike's electronic throttle control system malfunctions, it could cause unintended life-threatening acceleration. ISO 26262 ensures that these critical components are designed to be virtually failure-proof. And keep in mind, these standards get highly localized too. Just look at India's Bureau of Indian Standards. They introduced the AIS 156 norms for smaller electric 2- and 3-wheelers and the AIS 038 Revision 2 norms for larger passenger and commercial vehicles. Now, while smaller scooters require specific mechanical drop tests and IPX7 water resistance, and your larger cars require really intense mechanical shock tests, both categories share a strict, non-negotiable requirement, the thermal propagation test. The big takeaway here is that these strict standards are designed specifically to prevent deadly thermal runaways and battery fires, making sure both users and bystanders stay safe. All right, Section 3, Smart Battery Management Systems. And now that we've got a handle on the dry regulatory rule books, let's look at the physical hardware that actually enforces these safety rules inside the vehicle. Picture a familiar sight, an EV plugged into a charging station. But the true heart of the vehicle isn't that plug. It's the Battery Management System, or BMS. The BMS acts as the vital bridge between the physical chemistry of the lithium-ion battery and the vehicle's digital IoT network. You can really think of IoT sensors as the nervous system of the EV. The BMS relies on these sensors to constantly collect data. We're talking measuring precise cell voltage, tracking charging currents, monitoring temperature across multiple points in the battery pack, and calculating the exact state of charge. Because lithium-ion batteries are highly volatile if they're mishandled, these sensors are absolutely crucial. They ensure the battery stays strictly within safe operating parameters at all times. Let me give you a great example of these automated safety features in action. The BMS isn't just sitting there watching, it's actively reacting. If a temperature sensor detects that a battery cell is getting too hot, the system does not wait for the rider to notice. No way. It instantly triggers a cooling fan or cuts the power supply to prevent a thermal runaway. The vehicle proactively protects itself and its rider before a fire can even think about starting.
Section 4. Predictive AI and Maintenance.
So we've covered the regulatory floor and the hardware. Now let's transition up to the innovative ceiling. This is where things get truly fascinating. The foundation of EV artificial intelligence relies on advanced microchip ecosystems. Using highly advanced analog-to-digital converters, these chips are processing millions of data points every single second. All that processing power transforms the EV from a reactive machine into a proactive, thinking co-pilot. And because of this AI, the days of static, guessed maintenance schedules, they are completely over. Instead of replacing parts based on rough mileage estimates, machine learning models analyze your exact riding habits. The system tracks how hard you brake and where you ride, and it sends highly personalized alerts directly to your smartphone. This precision prevents you from prematurely replacing parts that still have plenty of life left, while also making sure you never suffer an unexpected failure from worn-out components. It's a real game changer. The AI also seamlessly optimizes your battery life completely in the background through adaptive charging. Fast charging every single day or letting a battery sit at 100% capacity for a long time degrades the cells much faster. But if the AI learns that your morning commute is consistently at, say, 7 a.m., it will intentionally delay the final stage of charging so it hits 100% right as you're walking out the door. You literally don't have to do a thing and your battery lasts significantly longer.
And the numbers on this are just staggering. Research shows that an AI-enhanced BMS utilizing deep learning, specifically long short-term memory neural networks, can predict a battery's overall state of health with over 97% accuracy. By accurately predicting that battery health, we are massively extending the vehicle's lifespan and drastically reducing the risk of critical power failures out on the road.
And finally, Section 5, Advanced Crash Detection Tech. Look, even with perfect maintenance, accidents can still happen. So let's look at how this technology reacts when things go wrong. Fortunately, modern smart helmets and IoT systems act as these intelligent pre-ride gatekeepers. Using a machine learning algorithm called random forest, the system can actually track alcohol concentration via an MQ3 sensor. Then, a logistic regression model confirms whether the rider is actually wearing their helmet correctly. If you're impaired or you're not wearing a helmet, the system automatically locks the engine ignition. It simply will not let you put yourself in danger. Once you are actually riding, the AI maintains what's called dynamic environmental awareness. By cross-referencing your GPS route patterns, the time of day, and local speed regulations, the vehicle is adapting to its environment in real time. If it knows you're approaching a school zone during morning drop-off hours, it can automatically govern your speed, keeping pedestrians safe before you even register the roadside. But if an impact actually occurs, a brilliant millisecond-split crash detection algorithm kicks in. First, the accelerometer and gyroscope detect a sudden motion anomaly. Second, a time series LSTM deep learning model analyzes that pattern to see if it matches a true crash signature, ignoring false alarms, like hitting a deep pothole. Third, a convolutional neural network, or CNN, verifies the crash by analyzing onboard camera data. Finally, once both models agree, the GPS instantly transmits your location to emergency responders. The vehicle effectively becomes its own first responder. It is just incredible to step back and see how far we've come. We started with strict, non-negotiable compliance rules, the essential floor of our safety. But we've built upon that with breathtaking AI and IoT innovation, creating vehicles that manage their own health, prevent dangerous riding, and automatically call for help in a crisis. As our vehicles learn to think for themselves, it really makes you wonder about the future of transit, doesn't it? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did.